In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to launch your Google Chrome. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then go to search and search for WhatsApp web. Then you are going to see the first link here, WhatsApp web. Just click on it. Then it will land you here. So what you need to do here, you will click on those three dots on your top right corner. Then go to cast, save and share. Then you are going to see install WhatsApp web here. Click on it. Then install. So this is the app version. We are going to close Google Chrome. Then we will remain with this app version here. So you need to connect your WhatsApp from your phone on your PC. So what you are going to do, you will go to your phone and open WhatsApp. Then tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then linked devices. Then link a device. Then enter your phone password or your fingerprint. Then OK. Continue. So you will scan that QR code. So once you've done that, you will see loading your chats here on WhatsApp on your desktop or on your PC. So give it time for it to finish loading. Then as you can see, the WhatsApp has launched. So you will be able to use this WhatsApp on your PC or on your laptop. So in order to pin it on your desktop, as you can see, it has already been pinned. And if you do not see it, you will just go to the search and search for WhatsApp. Yeah, you can pin it to taskbar or to start. So that's really it, guys. That's how to install WhatsApp on laptop or PC. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.